Hello, Mr. Washington's class. This is Mr. Washington here, hopefully to provide you with a video to help you navigate LCPS Go and Schoology a little bit better, especially after the first day. A lot of glitches in the technology, a lot of misunderstanding. Hopefully this is helpful and help you understand where you will go to navigate the pages you will go to correctly. Okay, so I'm going to sign out so that way you guys can see how to start from the beginning. So you sign in. This is obviously LCPS Go. I'll make sure to share this link in case nobody can find it on the laptop with parents in case they would like to save it. You will simply sign in with your password and login, or you will use your QR code, which some of you have, I know, and click sign in. Once you are signed in, you will then go down here and look for the Schoology icon. You're going to click on it, and it should take you to a page where it has several different courses. So for example, you see a course for health, you see a language arts course, a math course, a reading course, a science course, a social science course, and a few specials courses. You'll have a few more once they get all the specials figured out. Obviously, after today, you guys know that some of the specials were not working. That's understandable why those aren't there. And then here's my home page. Now, obviously, you guys saw what Mr. Washington's home page usually looks like. Okay? And I'm actually going to go over and share with you what it should look like. Okay? This is what the quick links tab should look like, okay? Picture Mr. Washington in a rocket ship, math button, reading button, science button, social studies button, writing button, Google Meet button to get back into our meeting, parent information, class schedules, specials button, and a contact teacher button. You also have a resource teachers button and a Seesaw button. Okay, now, like I said, these are buttons to all of your subjects. This button is to get to your Google Meets. This button is for parents. And the other two, teacher, contact teacher, and resource teacher, are not as frequently used by students, but we'll definitely be using the Seesaw button as well to get to our Seesaw activities. All you should have to do, guys, to get to any of those things is click on buttons. So for example, if I want to get to Seesaw, I'm going to click on the Seesaw button, and it should take me right to Seesaw. Okay? That's what that looks like. Once you finish looking at this page and feel like you have a pretty good understanding of that the fact that these buttons lead you to a new place, to a new course or a new tab for your parent information schedule, your Seesaw, or your specials, then you can start looking at the other things on our Schoology page. So some of the other things that you'll see on our Schoology page are some folders down here at the bottom. Okay? So remember, on our home page, you have your quick links. They're not really showing up right now. I wanted to at least show you that, look, Mr. Washington's screen sometimes does the same thing. Hopefully these pictures start loading, but I will be assisting students with the links until we can figure that out. But another important thing to keep in mind is this is where students come to start their day every single day. Okay? You go to the green daily check-in folder, which takes you to this screen. It reminds you of 3 quick steps to help get yourself or get students ready for the day, and a few rules, which we did go over today, about how you should handle yourself in the online classroom. Once you're ready to go, after you've reviewed all those things, you can click the morning meeting link, and it will bring you right to Google Meet link to get into our morning meeting. So you click that, and then you're ready to go. That's where we will start our day, and that is where Mr. Washington will then direct you of where you will go afterwards. That's enough to at least get you started for the day. So guys, hopefully that was super helpful. I know a lot of work today. It's a lot of work for students, especially a lot of work for parents, but guess what? It's only going to get better. As you can see, look, now that I've reloaded this page, some of the buttons have popped back up since. My picture's back up here. But technology is glitchy, guys. Bear with it. Definitely practice with this a little bit if you have some free time, and hopefully it'll get better as we go. Okay? So thank you very much, and let me know if I can help you with anything else.